Okay, let us now discuss question number 36 from the practice sheet. Question says, if the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. Okay, so this question seems to be simple because it contains just the application of formula. It says the sum of first 14 terms of an AP. So there is an AP whose first 14 terms, sum of first 14 terms, it means S14 is given as 1050, and first term of this AP is first term, that is A is equal to 10, and what I need to find is I need to determine the 20th term. So I need to determine T20, the value of T20. What will be the value of T20 using the formula for general term of an AP? It will be A plus 20 minus 1, it will be A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A is 10 plus n is 20 minus 1 into D. So if I calculate the value of D, I will be able to determine T20. So my task is to determine the value of this common difference. So my task is to determine the value of this common difference. So how will I determine this common difference? Using this given data. Okay, I will use this data. S14 is given as 1050. The formula for n terms of an AP is n by 2 to the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. So if n is equals to 14, then sum of 14 terms will be 14 by 2 to the bracket 2 times of first term is 10. So this 10, so 2a is 2 into 10 plus 14 minus 1 into D. The value of D is what I need to calculate. Okay. So S14 is equal to 1050. In place of S14, I can write 1050 is equal to, this is 7. So 1050 upon 7 is equal to 2 into 10 is 20 plus this will be 14 minus 1 is 13 into D. I can write it as like this. Now let us try to solve this. 7 ones are 7 and 7, this will be 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35 and 7 0 as it is. Okay. So this will give you 150 is equals to 20 plus 13D. This will give you 13D is equals to 130, that is the value of D is equals to 10. Okay, so the value of D obtained is equal to 10. So what will be the value of T20? The 20th term T20 is equals to A, that is 10 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into D is again 10. So this will give you 10 plus 190, that is equal to 200. Okay. So the the 20th term of this AP is equal to 200. Okay. And the sum of first 14 terms is 1050, it is given. So this is the solution for question number 36. You can see just it has the application of two concepts. The first is the sum of n terms of an AP, then the application of formula for the general term of an AP. So after 36, let us discuss the 37th question. It says how many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 and continuing must be taken so that their sum is 78. Okay, so question number 37. It says that there is an AP. The AP is 24, 21, 18 and then so on, and I need to determine how many terms of this AP should I add to get a sum of 78, or to get the sum equal to 78. How many terms should I need? So if it is asking how many terms should I require, so what is the unknown quantity? I will say n is unknown. Okay, n is unknown, n is the number of terms. So I will say let n terms are required, let n terms are required to make a sum of, to make sum equal to 78. Okay, this is what I have assumed. I have taken that, I have assumed that n terms are required to make a sum of 78. Okay, so sum of n terms of an AP is equal to what? It is n by 2 to the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula that we know. And we have said that sum of n terms is 78. So I can write it as Sn is equals to 78. Okay, Sn is equals to 78. So here I can write 78 is equal to n by 2 to the bracket 2a. Now what is a for this particular series? A is equal to 24. And what is d? D is equals to 21 minus 24, that is minus 3. So d, that is the common difference, is minus 3 and first term is 24. So in place of Sn I have written 78 is equals to n by 2 to the bracket 2 into a. 2 into a is 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. Okay, the value of d is minus 3. So this will give you 78 into 2. So okay, let us write it as like this only. We will not take this 2 into LHS. So n by 2 to the bracket, it will give you, this is 2 into 24 is 48 plus this is 3 into 1 is 3 and minus 3n. Okay, this is what you will get, 48 plus 3 minus 3n. So now I think I need to multiply this 2 from RHS to LHS. 2 into 78 will give you 156. Okay, this is 2 into 7, 140, and this 2 into 8 is 16. So 140 plus 16. This will give you n into bracket 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. Okay, this is what you will get. So this is 156 and this is minus 3n. Now if I take 3 as common from this, I will get 156 is equals to 3 into n to the bracket. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21 minus n and bracket close. Now I can cancel 3 from LHS to RHS. This is 3 1s are 3, this is 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. So this is 52. So I will get n times 17 minus n is equals to 52. So what you can see, I am getting n times 17 minus n is equals to 52, which is 17n minus n square is equals to 52. So if I shift all these terms to RHS, I will get n square minus 17n plus 52 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. I need to solve this quadratic equation. You can solve it using the using the method of splitting the middle term. Now 52. Let us first determine the factors of 52. So 52, 2 times 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Then this is 2 and this will give you 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 13 1s are 13. So the two factors of this 52 is 13 and 4. Okay, you can see the two factors of this 52 is 13 and 4. It means if I write this equation as n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52, this will give you 0. And from this, if I take n as common, it will give you n minus 13. Minus 4 as common, it will give you n minus 13 is equals to 0. So if I take n minus 13 as common, next bracket it will be n minus 4 is equals to 0. Now observe this, this is what I have done, that is you have learned in quadratic equation. This is the splitting the middle term method. Okay, I have splitted this middle term in such a way that adding or subtracting, by adding or subtracting the terms I should get minus 17n, and by multiplying I should get 52n square. Okay, 52 into n. Okay, so 52n square, that is what we need to get. So from this I can see if n minus 13 and n minus 4 is equal to 0, either n minus 13 is equals to 0, so either n minus 13 is equals to 0 or n minus 4 is equals to 0. So this will give you n is equals to 13 and this will give you n is equals to 4. So n is 13 or n is 4. Now we have two different values of n. Do I need to reject any of the values, 13 or 4? You can see both values are natural numbers. So it means that n is equals to 4 is also valid, as well as n is equals to 13 is also valid for this calculation. Now it means if n is equals to 4 is valid, so if I add 4 terms of this arrangement I will get a sum of 78. And if n is equals to 13 is valid, it means that if I add 13 terms of this arrangement I will get again the sum as 78. So try to imagine, I am adding 4 terms and I am getting sum as 78, and if I am adding 13 terms then also I am getting the sum as 78. Now why this is happening? Why is the sum of 4 terms and sum of 13 terms is equal? This is what I am getting, sum of 4 terms is equal to sum of 13 terms. This is what we are getting. So why this is happening? 13 terms and 4 terms. I am adding more terms, but still the sum is remaining constant, that is 78 only. Adding 4 terms, sum is 78. Adding 13 terms, again the sum is 78. Let us try to analyze this, why it is happening. Let us try to write the terms of this arithmetic progression. You will find, if I write this, the terms of this AP, the terms of this AP will be 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. How many terms are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and one more is minus 12, that is. So these are the 13 terms of this AP. I have just written the 13 terms. Now observe the sum of first 4 terms. These are the first 4 terms, 24, 21, 18 and 15. The sum of these first 4 terms is equal to 78. You can calculate this. Add these 4 terms, you will get the sum of 78. Okay, so we have got the sum as 78. Now what is the sum of 13 terms? If I add all these 13 terms, I will again get the sum as 78. Why it is happening? It is because you can see, here I have a term 12, here I have a term minus 12. So 12 and minus 12 will get cancelled. Here I have a term 9 and here I have a term minus 9. So 9 and minus 9 will again get cancelled. Here sum is 6, here the value is 6, here it is minus 6. So 6 and minus 6 is also getting cancelled. 3 and minus 3, again they are getting cancelled. So what does it mean? It means that sum of terms from 5th term to 13th term is equal to 0. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि 4 टर्म्स का सम भी 78, 13 टर्म्स का सम भी 78? ऐसा इसीलिए हो रहा है बिकॉज 5th टर्म से लेकर 13th टर्म तक के सभी टर्म्स का सम 0 होता है. ओके, फिफ्थ टर्म से 13th तक टर्म्स के सम को अगर हम देखें तो वह सम 0 आ रहा है. इसका मतलब ये सभी टर्म्स एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर रहे हैं. टर्म्स का सम कितना है? 0 है. इसीलिए 4 टर्म्स का सम भी 78 दिख रहा है और 13 टर्म्स का सम भी 78 दिख रहा है. Try to understand this concept. This question is very important question. This has a very important concept that the sum of 4 terms is 78, 13 terms का sum भी 78. Okay, I am repeating it once more. I am saying that sum of 4 terms is 78 and 13 terms is also 78. It's because sum of terms from 5th term to 13th term is equal to 0. 5th टर्म से लेके 13th तक की टर्म्स एक दूसरे को कैंसल आउट कर रही हैं, इसीलिए सम उसका 78 ही मेंटेन्ड है. ओके, द सम विल रिमेन 78 ओनली. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. लेट मी मार्क इट एज अ स्टार. Okay, this question is very important question. Okay, so this completes question number 37. First you note this, then we will continue. Okay, let us now solve question number 38 from the practice sheet. Question number 38 says, find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equals to 3 plus 2n. Okay, so question number 38. It says, find the sum of first 24 terms of a list of numbers. Okay, so there is a list of numbers and it is given that for that list of numbers the nth term of this list is given as an equals to 3 plus 2n. Okay, nth term is given as 3 plus 2n. This is the nth term of this list of numbers. Now I need to calculate the sum of 24 terms, that is I need to calculate S24. This is what I need. Okay, so if an is equals to 3 plus 2n, now what can be n? What can be the values of n? N can be equal to 1, 2, 3, any natural number. N can be equal to any natural number. So if I take n is equals to 1, if n is equals to 1, I will get a1 is equals to 3 plus 2 into 1, that is equal to 5. Now what is a1? A1 means first term. Okay, a1 means first term. So the first term of this AP is equal to 5. If I take n is equals to 2, then A2 will be equals to 3 plus 2 into 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 into 2, which will give you 3 plus 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So this will be the second term of this AP. Okay, this will be the second term of this AP. Then what will be the third term? If n is equals to 3, I will get A3 is equals to 3 plus 2 into 3. This will give you 3 plus 2 3s are 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So this is the third term of my AP. Okay. Similarly, if I calculate 24th term of my AP, my 24th term will be A24 will be equals to 3 plus 2 into 24. This is A plus 2n. Yes. So this will give you 24 into 2 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. So what is my arithmetic progression? The arithmetic progression is, it will start from 5, then 7, then 9 and so on till 51. So these are the 24 terms of my arithmetic progression. These are the 24 terms of my arithmetic progression. Okay. So I want to calculate the sum of these 24 terms. What is the formula for sum that we will use? Should I use S is equals to Sn is equals to n by 2 to the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or should I use n by 2 to the bracket a plus l? Which one formula should I use? I can use both, but what will be the convenient way to solve this? Here I know the number of terms, here I know the first term, here I know the last term also. Last term is 51, that I know very well. So I should use this formula to avoid my calculation, okay, to avoid the long calculations. If I calculate the d of this formula, the common difference d is equals to 7 minus 5, it will give you 2. So common difference is equals to 2. So by applying this formula, n is equals to 24, S24 will be equals to 24 by 2, to the bracket a is 5 and L, the last term is 51. So this will give you 12 into 51 plus 5 is 56. Okay, so the sum will be equals to 12 5s are 60, 12 5s are 60, so it is 600, then 12 6s are 72, so 600 plus 72 will give you 672. So this is the sum of first 24 terms of an AP whose nth term is given as 3 plus 2n. Okay, so here we have understood one new concept, that if nth term is given as like this in some general manner, I can calculate the different terms of this AP. Okay, in upcoming questions you will also see the sum of n terms is also given in some this kind of manner. Then also we will understand a new concept. Okay, so this concept is also very important. This kind of question also may come in your exam. So this is the solution for question number 38. Okay, so you can note this.